So this euro dollar analysis for Wednesday the 23rd of May. Now let's just have a look around prices and where they may likely go. So previously we had prices come down towards this 1728, from which we did see them move back up towards the 1771, broke above the 1771, retested in around the 1771, from which we did have a move up towards our 1830. Now in around 1830 we pretty much had a perfect test of the 1830, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come back into the market for a couple of tests of the 1771. Now we've broke beneath the 1771. We've had a move upwards. We've not seen the follow through to break back above the 1771. So we do see points for further downside momentum. If we do see the momentum follow through to the downside, we're looking to see our price react towards our 1728, 1710. And if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 1710, at the very next horizontal we've got marked out here on the chart is all the way down at that 1612 level, but we do have a few levels in around the 1670s or so. Now if we do see the turnaround from where we are at present, and we do see the break back above the 1771, just bear with me a second here. So if we do see the break back above the 1771, if we do break and hold 1771, we're looking for a move back up towards our 1830, test the 1830 level. If we do break above the 1830, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average potentially acting as a dynamic level of resistance, from which we could see sell side momentum come into the market. But if we do break above both the 1830 and the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking for moves up towards our 1862. And if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, a move possibly up towards that 1910 level. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart, we can see we've had a pretty consistent trend here to downside, brief pullback, rejection, had further sell side momentum. We had a pullback just previously. We've had the rejection at 1830 and we did close the day bearish. Yesterday's candle we did test 1830, we did close bearish, and so far today on the 23rd of May we do appear to be having that bearish momentum follow through here to the downside in line with the most recent trend. So if we do see the follow through, we've mentioned levels that we are looking at here to the downside, in particular the let's just see where that is, in around the 1728 and the 1710. We do have our previous swings here in the market, just here where we had this move downwards, well, this pullback. So again, if we do head down into that area, we are looking to just find bullish buy side momentum and a potential bounce. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.